Hello everyone. Today in constructions, we are going to learn how to construct a triangle when we have its base, a base angle and difference of the other two sides. And please note here from the given difference, we can conclude that AC is greater than AB. So let's see how we are going to construct a triangle for such case. I have taken one question here. In this, base BC is given, base angle B is there, that is 60 degree, and the difference of the other two sides. So I started with a rough figure and I understood from the given difference that AC is greater than AB, which is opposite to the given base angle. So now we shall see how we should proceed for such cases. We'll start with drawing a line segment BC of length 6 cm. Then we'll draw the base angle, that is angle B is equals to 60 degree here. And I hope you all know how to draw an angle of 60 degree with the help of compass and ruler. If you don't know, please check out the previous videos of constructions. Now please observe it carefully. We need to extend the line XB on the opposite side of the base BC, and then we are going to cut an arc BD which is equal to the difference given in the question. Then join CD, draw the perpendicular bisector of CD, I have named this as YZ and will join YZ wherever this YZ is intersecting BX. That is the third vertex of the required triangle, that is the point A. That's it. We'll join AC and ABC is the required triangle. Let's check whether we have drawn it correctly or not. So AB we are getting 3.2 cm, AC as 5.2 cm, and the difference between the two is 2 cm. That means we have done it correctly, and visually also this is correct, that is AC is greater than AB. Now justification. Since A lies on the perpendicular bisector of CD, it implies AD is equals to AC. Now from figure, AD is equals to AB plus BD. That is BD is equals to AD minus AB, and in place of AD we can write AC from 1. That is AC minus AB, we are getting the difference is 2 cm. That means correct. Here are some extra questions for you. If you'll be able to do question number 2, that means you have understood the concept well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.